Corporate social responsibility, or CSR, is when a company operates in an ethical and sustainable way and deals with its environmental and social impacts. This means a careful consideration of human rights, the community, environment, and the society in which it operates. It is incredibly important that your company operates in a way that demonstrates social responsibility. Although it's not a legal requirement, it's seen a good practice for you to take into account social and environmental issues. CSR comes in four types. So the first one is we have philanthropic responsibilities. Philanthropic responsibility means to serve humanity. This criterion pays attention to the well-being of the unprivileged or needy people. So companies fulfill their philanthropic responsibility by donating their time, money, or resources to charities and organizations. So for example, a local branch of a bank might donate money for scholarship or health care. Second is the ethical responsibilities. As one of the most important elements of social responsibility, ethical actions define the core values of a business. Instead of merely abiding the law, a business that focuses on corporate social responsibility needs to go above and beyond that and make choices based on what is right, not just what is legal. For example, if a business pays its employees minimum wage, that action follows a legal directive. However, if an employer chooses to pay its employees more than minimum wage, in the belief that the employees do important work and deserve to be compensated accordingly, that is making a socially responsible decision. In addition to the compensation, employers can offer paid vacation, education and training perks, and health coverage to improve the lives of their employees. Third is the legal responsibilities. Business is expected to carry out its work in accordance with the current law and government regulations. There are legal obligations for most of businesses. They will vary depending on the nature of the business. To avoid problems in the future, it is very important to understand your obligations. Typically, most business will have some legal responsibilities relating to business structure and registration, which determine tax registration you need. In addition to your personal liabilities, you are responsible for ensuring you have the correct business registration and that they are maintained and renewed. Another legal responsibilities includes selling goods and services, leasing premises, employing staff, occupational health and safety, privacy and information protection, and intellectual property. Fourth is the economic social responsibilities. It involves its primary function of producing goods and services that consumers need and want, while making an acceptable profit. Fulfilling this responsibility effectively is considered to represent an important ethical purpose of business because it provides good jobs, important products and services, and contributes to a vibrant economy. Embracing social responsibility encourages businesses to act ethically and to consider the social and environmental impact of their business operations. In doing so, the company delivers benefits for the community, not only to have the positive impact on the society and environment, but CSR also brings fantastic benefits for the company. So we have here the following benefits of embracing CSR. First, it will improve public image. This is crucial as consumers assess your public image when deciding whether to buy from you. A strong CSR program can also attract more investors and partners to your company by illustrating that your business is almost or about more than just the bottom line. What's more, investing in CSR can show investors that your company is healthy and looking towards the future. Next is CSR will increase brand awareness and recognition. If you're committed to ethical practices, this will spread. More people will therefore hear about your brand, which creates an increased brand awareness. Through CSR, it will give you an advantage over your competitors. By embracing CSR, you stand out from the competitors in your industry. You establish yourself as a company committed to going one step further by considering social and environmental factors. The last but definitely not the least benefits you can get out of CSR is more benefits for employees. There are also a range of benefits for your employees when you are embracing CSR. Your workplace will be a more positive and productive place to work. And by promoting things like volunteering, you encourage personal and professional growth. In this day and age, corporate social responsibility has become increasingly important to companies. More and more businesses are integrating corporate social responsibility or CSR into their business strategy. CSR shows that a company actively takes steps to invest in the greater good of a community to doing something or by doing something to demonstrate a level of caring. And that ends our discussion. We hope that you learned a lot from this lesson. Thank you so much and God bless.